Hello everyone, I am Shada Sharo and welcome to Sada Learning Hub. Today's session we are going to learn enum versus switch statement. Until 1.4 version, the allowed types of the switch statements are byte, short, char, int, integer. But from 1.5 version onwards, in addition to this, the corresponding wrapper classes and the enum types also allowed. That that is the form 1.5 version onwards. We can use enum type as a argument to the switch statement. In the below the 1.4 version, it allows only the byte short character int. But 1.5 version onwards, it allows all wrapper classes and also enums into the switch statements. Now, regarding this, I can show one example here. If you see this example, I'm creating a one enum here that is called beer. This is the enum. In this, I'm declaring a constants. These are the constants. I'm creating a test class. In this test class, I'm creating a main method. I'm creating an object of beer by using beer b1 is equal to beer.rc. Now I'm writing the switch statement here, switch of b1. Now it's going to execute the cases. It checks where rc is. It checks kf not matched, ko not matched, rc. Now it is matched. Whenever it is matched, it prints it is too hot. This is the case is matched. After the execution of this case, it breaks from the here. Now, whenever we are compiling this program, it compiles successfully. Whenever we are running this program, it prints it's too hot. Next, if we are passing the enum type as argument to the switch statement, then every case label should be a valid enum constants. Otherwise, we will get the compile time error. If we are passing the enum type as an argument, see here, if you see this example, this is the enum type argument. If you are passing the enum type argument to the switch statement, this is the switch statement, this is the enum type argument. If you are passing the enum type as a argument to the switch statement, then every case label, this is the cases, this every case label should be a valid enum constants. Otherwise we will get the compile time error. Why? Because see here, this is the kf, it is available in beer. It is the rc, it is available in beer. It is the kalyan, it is not available, kalyan, it is not available in the beer constants. Whenever we are compiling this program, it gives the compile time error. Why? Because the kalyani is not available in the beer's constants. That's why it gives the compile time error. Unqualified enumeration constants name required. This is the thing, the kalyani gives the error. We can declare the enum either outside the class or within the class, but not inside the method. If we are declare the enum outside the class, the allowed modifiers are public, default, strict fp. If you declare the enum inside the class, then the allowed modifiers are public, private, default, protected, and strict fp static. Now if you see this example, I can show an example regarding that. We can declare enum either outside the class or within the class, but not inside the method. If you declare the enum outside the class, it allowed the modifiers are public, default, strict fp. This is the outside of the class enum. It allows only the modifiers public, default, strict fp. Now this is the default. only these three are allowed. It may be allowed to inside the class also. It's possible to declare our enum inside the class also. Means like this. It is a possible to declare inside the class also. It is also possible. It is also possible. If you declare the class, if you declare the enum inside the class, then it allowed the modifiers are. If you declare the inside of the class, the allowed modifiers are public, private, default, protected, strict FP, and static. In these things, it can be allowed any one of the modifier. This is the enum versus switch statement. Finally, the enum in the switch statement argument, the enum allowed in 1.5 version onwards. In 1.4, in switch statement argument, the enum is not allowed. This is regarding enum versus switch statement.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then you take care. Bye bye.